Hello and welcome to today's cooking tutorial. In this video, we are going to show you how to cook a delicious tuna fish recipe that is both easy and healthy. Ingredients: 2 fresh tuna steaks, around 6 ounces each. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 1/4 cup of honey. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, optional. Sesame seeds for garnish. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the marinade in a mixing bowl. Whisk together the soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, sesame oil, garlic, and red pepper flakes, optional. Once the marinade is mixed, place the tuna steaks in a dish and pour the marinade over the steaks. Be sure to coat both sides of the steaks with the marinade. Cover the dish with plastic wrap and place in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to marinate. Step 2. Heat the grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. While the grill is heating up, remove the tuna steaks from the marinade and discard the leftover marinade. Step 3. Cook the tuna. Brush the tuna steaks with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Once the grill is heated, place the tuna steaks on the grill and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until the tuna is cooked to your liking. Be careful not to overcook the tuna, as it can become dry and tough. Step 4. Garnish and serve. Once the tuna is cooked, remove it from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. Sprinkle sesame seeds over the top of the tuna steaks for garnish. Serve hot and enjoy. Conclusion. And that's it. A simple and delicious way to cook tuna fish. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you give this recipe a try at home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cooking tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.